Back in January the 12th, we had a bad storm. My home was struck by lightning, and it was pretty much a total loss. Daniel Restoration XP was actually here when the fire was happening, so he got in touch with me, and here we are. I am so grateful. This has been a long process, but they have been with me the entire time, us trying to stay on top of everything, and a lot of stuff due to COVID wasn't available, so changing options, but it worked out and my house turned out great. But I would recommend them both, most definitely. I think they really care about the customers. They keep you involved in what's going on and take a lot of things that could be on my plate off. So that has been, without words, I have no words for that.